Hello guys, we are unboxing our 3-step polishing kit Amglos series from Luhmi. Here we are, all your polishing needs in one box. Unboxing. What we have here: 3 buffing wheels, hard, soft cotton, very soft flannel, 10 polishing cloths, 2 microfiber cloths for final polishing, 3 hard solid polishing compounds. Every product has its own number. You can easily find your set. First step, second step, mirror finish number 3, and for super finish our new blue label Amglos series for micro scratches delayed after every polishing process. You will love this product because it contains wax and protects from oxidation and gives very deep shine for your aluminium. This is our 3-step polishing kit from Luhmi. 19 elements. Every single piece you can read on box.